Wichita Falls police need your help finding the two men they believe were involved in a late-night robbery at a local taco truck.
Jaron Spoor joins us now from Don Chewy off Kel West. And Jaron, what's the owner planning to do now about safety there?
When I talked to him earlier today, he said there's definitely some things that they are considering. But everyone is thankful for a witness who police say started honking his horn to warn the employees that two robbers were coming. One of the victims told officers while he was waiting for his food, he saw two black males come from behind a nearby building and approach the taco stand in a suspicious manner. He says that's when one of the suspects walked over to the van and demanded the driver to give him money, but the victim could only give him his keys. Meanwhile, police say the second suspect waved a gun at the females inside the taco stand and told them to open the register before taking an undisclosed amount of cash. Now, this all happened just before midnight. The taco stand currently closes at 11, but because of having to clean up, they don't leave until 12 or 12:30. Co-owner Jose Hinosa says one thing they are considering is closing an hour early so they can leave earlier while there's still traffic on the streets, but he does not feel moving locations will help.
It's just a small business, family-owned business, and we're trying our best out here, to make it. And when you have low-life people, trying to get a quick money, it's kind of hard, especially for the people inside. Money is not an issue. I mean, money comes and goes, but the trauma that they put on the people in there, just for a few bucks.
Both suspects fled the scene on foot and headed eastbound. The keys to the van were recovered a few feet away. The first suspect is described as a black, heavy-set male, about 5'8" and 195 pounds, wearing a black hoodie, shorts, and gloves. Less is known about the second suspect, but they say he is another black male with a black and gray hoodie, gray Converse shoes, dark pants, and a black backpack.
Oh, I hope detectives can track them down. Okay, Jaron, thank you very much. Now, if you have any information on this crime, call Crime Stoppers 322-9880. It's the number. You never have to give your name, and you could earn up to $1,000.
What about the hero who was honking to let those ladies know these
that is a brave man,
guys were coming?
for sure.
For sure, absolutely.
Well,